Hi everyone, welcome to another download with me. Or is it really me? I'm excited to announce that we are back at CNS Summit 2023 with a blast. For the first time, we are joining a record of 3 on-stage events, including a very exciting AI demo. So, what to expect? We at Castor are seeing the huge potential of AI, with the right human oversight of course. And we are actively working on the development to support the safe use of AI in clinical trials. This time, I'm excited to showcase the recent AI capability we've developed internally that's set to significantly improve clinical trial processes. I will show you how we can use AI to streamline study build workflows, quickly design a protocol, and we will explore great prompts to get the best from ChatGPT. So get ready for an interactive session with the real Derk. Join him at CNS Summit next week.